Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing another disposable cup holder. So this is a dispenser, but this is gray. I actually believe the correct term for this one is rustic gray. Ooh, I love that. So I believe it's made out of wood. It's very lightweight. So it says cups on the side. Let's go ahead and show you how you put the legs on. So you just peel off these little circles and you put them in each corner. And this helps the dispenser from moving around. So this is a great display piece if you have parties, or if you just normally use cups, disposable cups like we do. And that's it. Let's show you how it looks with cups inside. So guys, this is what the gray solo cup holder looks like. Now this matches our room really nice, so I absolutely love this. But yeah, it's nice, it holds the cups, and it just looks a lot cleaner than if you would have your cups setting like this. Plus, if they're like this, they're very unstable, and it just looks better in something. Overall, very happy.